You guys are gonna make me fat. A microwaved tea cake. Let's try it. Okay, so at first glance, you can see that there's a crack in it, and the chocolate is so soft. Like, oh, and okay, I don't know what's happening, but literally, like, the texture of the chocolate has changed completely, and it's like melted. But oh, so good. Okay, let's just try it. Oh, it's breaking apart. No. Okay, wait, hang on. How am I gonna do this? Wait, 1 second. Bismillah. You, whoever commented this, Yaz, you know what you're doing.